Hello dear, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to mall, and let's see what we will do inside the mall, and just we'll go there and fun. This is mosquito killer machine. As you can see here, the mosquito killer machine is running in the street local.
So now we are going to mall to having a new things to be experienced and see what the where we were going. We have to this side. You know, in my library many people know me and they are just looking at me. What is doing she is. Literally, it's so embarrassing for me and I don't understand.
But you don't need to worry about it, because just if they are looking at ours and we don't care about anybody. Just we are looking and just we are focusing on only our task and what we will do and what I am doing. Because we know what I am doing. We are doing, nobody don't know about it. What we are doing.
Yeah, and I also have this mindset that you have to focus only.
Hey, you use this word key. Hindi word you use key, because I am in the habit of using this word key. Whenever I try to speak something in front of camera, then suddenly this Hindi word key came out from my mouth always.
I use key.
Yeah, you used. You can see after in this video after recording all that.
I never noticed that I use key. Actually, I am saying that I have also from the many experience till today. I am a 12th pass. When I experienced, no one is
really, you are 12th passed, but you are still pursuing 12th as far as I am concerned.
Yeah, it's for when
you are passing 12th, right?
When you have the preparatory phase, then you can't say that you are passed, because you repeated the things. You repeated the things again and again. Only that 12th, 11th, 10th things. So we can say that yes, I am 12th pass, but I also pursuing 11th and 12th.
Okay, I got it. Okay, let's continue ahead.
So
please.
Now we are just going to see at the Diwali occasion what is new in the mall.
That's great.
And
Diwali is about to come here.
I like to share with all of you that how the mall is looking like and how it decorated. So let's just wait for a while.
I'm holding this camera from one hand, so just pain is starting in my hand because I never hold for a long time. Say something about the scene. What you looks this and what you.
I'm feeling like Diwali is tomorrow only.
Oh really? Yeah, this is so amazing view. Here you can see this is so beautiful and amazing view. Like look here. This is so amazing, yeah. Wow, wonderful. Now we are moving on escalator. This is not a lift. Somebody called this is the lift.
No.
This is the escalator. We called it escalator.
Just having the enjoy, guys.
Just having the enjoy, and just we are having chill here. And where we wanna go?
We were just going to explore, the DIY things. Let's
this is so amazing.
be in the DIY. Show this.
Wow, you can see what is written in this. What is written in this?
It's a DIY, Mr. DIY.
What is the DIY? Is it a brand, something else?
Come.
Speak loudly, there is no anyone.
So guys, we are now in DIY and enjoying the things. You see how the mirror are pretty.
See, look, you can see there is a different types of mirror are available over here.
The mirrors are clean and clear. You can't get in your home.
Wow, yeah, this is so amazing. As you can see, this is so amazing, perfect, yeah. Look at this side.
It's very clear.
Hey, wow, you look so pretty in this cap.
Thank you so much.
Let's come here. And now let me check how am I looking after wearing this.
Yeah, sure.
Now just please hold this camera, because right now rear camera is open. Look, so rear camera. Hey, how I'm looking.
You're looking too cool.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a feeling of you having at a beach.
Oh.
How it's beautiful.
Hey, speak loudly. There is no anyone is listening to us. Yeah, you can speak.
I know that but also there is some,
Dear She, what is this? This
a pot.
It's a pot. And how we use this?
You see how the beautiful, there's a bucket.
Okay.
Bunch.
Okay, put there. Come at this side. This is the ladies department.
It's not a ladies department, it's a girl accessories.
Excuse me.
No, it's girl accessories, please.
This, dear She, this is the ladies department. Basically, I
not
shouldn't
at
have
all,
come.
guys. It's not a ladies department. It's a ladies
What is
accessories.
this is the ladies. Yeah, it is for ladies, dear. And she's
Yeah,
not believing.
this is our accessories, na?
Accessories, I can understand the accessories, but who wears this accessories? Ladies, na? I see. This is the car steering, and now right now I'm driving the car. Wow, this is so amazing.
Using this.
Just dear She,
So
just
hot.
we are going to wire this product, and you can see this is the fan. Just I'm feeling while you was watch, because
It's nice.
I think it looks like a small AC. We can call it small AC. Anjali, what you call it?
I only tell a fan.
Okay,
It's
doesn't
not
matter.
AC.
Please call it. Dear She, this is the clock which I need basically. As you can see, the whole world is. You can look. You are able to see the whole world. This is North America, and one day I'm thinking one day I will go there.
Then everything is possible.
Let's see when that day when will come. Then I will go this one side, and yeah, where is the North America and here South America is here. This country is my favorite. Really, I'm saying that from my heart. This part is my favorite. If I got chance for going to abroad, then definitely I would like to go there. I don't speak Hindi in my video. Just we are all learners, so that's why we have to speak English.
It's also no. It's feeling like a pressure when your parents say it's your third year of preparation.
Yeah,
Understand?
I understand everything, but you know,
parents can say, I know they have also a feeling for their children, but the children have a different yes.
I have already explained you one thing at home.
Yeah.
They are not spending his money on you. They are just investing their money on you, on your study.
I think
just
whole
investing
YouTube knows what I am doing.
Hey.
Seriously, by this conversation, I think they know.
You know, yeah. Dear.
So we will stop this topic at least here only. My favorite top college. Then I will tell you what in reality what I am doing.
Okay, that's great. Let's see, dear, what she will do as she is moving ahead in his life. Let's see what she will do.
Yeah, surely, guys, I'm the best.
Of course, definitely. It's
And
my
I'm doing
belief.
the best
It's my
thing.
belief you are the best. It's my belief, really.
And I will, and I will try to, do something more special that I can benefit others from my work.
Basically, just I need socks here. Basically, I have no
ahead.
socks here. So, which kind of socks we should buy?
If you buy to anything
Suppose that
from
if
here, you have to
DST
buy.
can see this is in 77. We can take only 3 pieces. Yeah, na? Right? Na? 3 pieces we can take in 77. So, what do you think?
Not
It is
at
better
all.
price or
It's
not?
220. It's the upper.
And what is this for? Okay, this is for this. And this price is for this.
Yeah.
And this price is for this. Okay, got it. I'm really sorry.
Don't
So
be
we
so
can't
much.
afford, yeah. This is very expensive. As you know, I'm very cheap person. And one day you told me that, Mama, you should not use this word cheap.
Yeah.
You should use affordable.
Yeah.
But why, yaar? I'm a cheap.
No,
I'm a
no
cheap.
one
I'm
is
a
cheap, I think.
cheap. I'm cheap. She is
No
always
one
say,
is
I should
cheap.
not use the cheap
We can't
word.
afford, but we are not cheap. Like, guys, we will now here in mall and we will show you the decoration. Just we will see the diyas.
See, look at this. Look at this side. This is the Deepak.
Yeah.
What we call the Deepak in English?
Only
You know?
it's diyas, I think.
Diyas. We can't say
Yes,
this lamp.
in English book also it's written in Diwali we are burning or we are having a diyas.
Okay. Let's come.
I don't think so. Diyas have a Diyas are called diyas.
Okay, okay, let it be, let it be. Hey, where you are going?
I'm just having a shopping.
Oh, okay, you have money for doing shopping?
Yes, then you will.
If you will buy something, then I have to spend
You
money.
are with me now, so I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
As you think I am a very rich person.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you, so it's
Then I
really
think
true.
you help me.
Who's looking at our son?
नीचे देख लेगा वो जो परफ्यूम यहाँ बेच रहा है ना.
Tea. Wow, what a beautiful view, yeah. As you can see, this is the entry gate. Gate number
1.
1.
You know the children are playing at the escalator.
Oh, that's inside the lift. Just please come. Here you can see just we are standing in the left and we are going down on which
Zero
this is
floor.
floor? This is second floor.
Yeah.
Second floor. Just we are going at first floor.
Listen, why we come
This is
early?
American people.
Carlo, do you have teddy bear? I don't like.
No. You can see. How do you find my googles? What we called it? Googles? Googles?
Yeah, goggles.
Goggles.
Yeah.
Okay, so we called it goggles. But I am from village, so that's why I called it chasma, like an anak. Right?
Anak, right?
We can call it anak, but anak is the different. We are using the goggles because it's an advanced vocabulary. Hey, come this side, yeah. I need to buy. Oh my God! Here you can see I need this for having the beer.
Guys, I'm so much vegetarian and I'm so much,
Wow, this
having
is so
a good
amazing.
genes, so I don't like these things.
And you can see this is. Wow, this is so super. We can buy this for having beer, but beer is injurious for our health, so we should not buy this.
What is this?
This is the mat. We can put this on our door.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, but it is very costly. You can see here.
Everything is costly, I think. Nothing is, cheap.
Yeah, I'm here cheap person.
I can't say you now anything. It's cutlery. It's for butter. See?
How we can use this? Oh no! Don't open this because it's a seal tag.
Yeah, it's sealed. Guys, it's sealed. Otherwise, I
If
will
you
show
open
you.
this one time, then I have to pay for this. I have to pay for this. Hey, please say something. Please explain this view, yeah.
What?
Please explain this view.
Guys, I told you that on every occasion, is it a Diwali, is it a Navratri, or it's a Holi, or it's a Christmas. This mall is decorated according to festival. Now say it's a Diwali, so there is a lighting, and there is also the festival of Navratri today days. So there is also Navratri feeling like Gujaratis and all.
But
See
you
the
know, I like
handbags.
one more. I like most one thing here because as you can see the decoration. Really, this is amazing decoration.